Hello folks, Rick McWilliams from Sicard RV. I'm here to take you through a walkthrough on the Jayco Micro 166 FBS. So let's have a look. On this Micro here, it has the power tongue jack. It has the optional 30-pound tanks, which we ordered this unit in, and also comes with a 2-man bike rack. It also has a battery cutoff switches in this side of the trailer, so if you need to shut your batteries off, it's really very handy. The basic build on this Jayco Micro has an exclusive Magnetruss roof system, 50% stronger, and it can withstand 4,500 pounds on it. The width of this trailer is 7 feet 6 inches wide, with an interior headroom of 6 feet 6 inches. Not bad for a little guy. The outside walls are vacuum bonded together for 16 minutes under 144 tons of pressure, and is to create the lightest yet strongest construction in the industry. On this Jayco here, it has all kinds of storage. The doors are held up by magnets. On the side here, in all the Micros, they have a protector bar, so if you're doing any off-roading or anything like that, it protects any body damage. Refrigerator. This comes with the Blackstone 17-inch table griddle for outside cooking. That's optional. All kinds of lighting, a little bit of lighting under here. This one's equipped with the MORride step, and you have a marker lights underneath there as well. This trailer here is also equipped with the detachable roof mount ladder. On the top, you can put an option in if you want for solar prep. And it also has, if you want, as an option as well, as a roof rack system on the top of the roof. Okay, so for sleeping here, it has high density full mattress on it. Furrion has the 32-inch TV, storage in behind, which is kind of nifty. Have a look at that. Put all kinds of stuff inside. All kinds of storage in these drawers, and they're all actually on ball bearings, so they're really nice to glide them in and out. On this side here, here's your table tops. They swivel, and they also can come out, and you can make this into a small bed. Residential countertop, Furrion microwave. And on the doors here, they're all finally on the floor. It's a laminate floor here. It is cold resistant, and as you can note, there's no carpet inside the trailer whatsoever. And the reason is for it, how they did this, is they raised the slide up, or the slide out, a little bit higher on the floor. So you don't have to worry about dirt getting into a carpet. This is very easy to clean. In the bathroom area, it's equipped with your toilet. It has your tub surround in your shower, and also a sink actually in a bathroom. There's your shower up top, and you can hang your clothing on the wall on the side, and your towels. This concludes our small run through on the Jayco Micro 166. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.